Hello enthusiast! Bago na namang release ng Workos isang mini tactical flashlight. Yan ang Workos TD07. Tara, samahan niyo ako para mag-unbox. Pag-usapan natin ang kanyang mga features and specs. Check natin ang kanyang build quality. And most importantly, let's do some outdoor test. Let's do some unboxing first. Let's go. Wow, ibang experience naman to. It is nicely packed. Spare gasket. USB-C to USB-C cord. Let's do an outdoor test. Let's go. Alright, so beam shots, testing Workos TD07 at Buisan Dam, 180 meters from the viewing deck. Alright, low, medium, and then high. And then turbo. Boom. 180 meters, kayang-kaya. Okay. Kabilang bundok, 850 meters. Try natin. Low, medium, high. And then turbo. Ayan. Outdoor test ng Workos TD07 sa favorite spot natin. Let's start with low. And this is low. Then medium. And it's medium. And then high. Ito yung high. Has a very nice spill and a very nice hot spot. Let's go turbo. So we're on tactical mode. It has a very intense hotspot and napaka-wide ng kanyang spill. So yeah, it's nice. So dahil momentary yung kanyang turbo kapag nasa tactical mode, pwede kang mag-signal yan. Maganda siya pang signal kasi it has a momentary turbo and pwede mo na rin gawing manual yung strobe. So that's very cool yan. Ako pwede kong and you can do strobe like this. You can just press and hold. But I can also do like my own rhythms as strobe. It's a very nice feature to have. It's not every switch can do this. Yung manual na strobe. So yeah, this is really fun to have. I really like the switch because you can do this. Pag-usapan naman natin ang kanyang highlights, specs, and build quality. Ang Workos TD07 ay isang mini powerful tactical flashlight. This comes with a rotating and button tail switch, maximum output of 1,300 lumens, and with a beam distance of 479 meters. And to achieve this performance, kasi gumagamit sila ng SFT 25R. Gustong gusto ko yung build quality nila ngayon, lalong-lalo na ang kanyang finish. Aerospace grade 6061 aluminum alloy, CNC manufactured, and hard anodized to military grade specification type 3. Anti-abrasive, solid built body, anti-crash geometry, and better heat exchange. Water resistance is at IP68, equipped with an advanced temperature regulation ATR technology. Sa beam angle naman, arrow beam is at 7 degrees and the flood beam is at 71 degrees. Yung battery naman niya is an 18350 1100 milliamp hours. Yan yung kanyang contacts. Spring on both sides. Ang pinaka-inaabangan ko dito ay ang kanyang makabagong tail switch. Meron siyang rotary switch to change modes, tactile tactical switch na dual stage. This makes it very easy switching from duty mode and tactical mode. At ang pinaka-importanting feature sa isang tactical flashlight na very powerful is yung lock. Chargeable na siya using a USB-C. It's also equipped with a battery indicator and a charging indicator. Sa bezel naman niya, meron siyang granulated bezel and a hard thick glass lens. And instead of the pocket clip, tactical ring naman yung included niya. So meron siyang rubber dito, and this one is full metal. That can be removed. Here is the full specs. At ito naman ang kanyang user interface. Pag-usapan naman natin ang kanyang user interface. Gustong gusto ko talaga yung kanyang rotary switch. Maganda yung feedback. It has a good quality feel to it. And with a satisfying click. Meron siyang tatlong selection. Meron siyang normal mode, lock, and tactical mode. Yung switch niya is a dual stage switch. So dalawang levels pag pinindot mo siya. Ito yung half press and then yung full press. Simulan natin sa kanyang outdoor mode or yung normal mode niya. So if you press and hold, it will activate the moonlight. One click to cycle through low, medium, and high. And meron siyang memory function sa normal mode. So kapag pinatay mo siya, and if you turn it on again, it will always turn on sa brightness na last mong ginamit. Full click for off. 2 clicks for turbo. At click mo lang ulit para bumalik sa low, medium, and high settings. So yan yung normal mode or outdoor mode. Switch naman tayo sa tactical mode. Sa tactical mode, dalawa lang. One press will automatically take you to turbo pero kailangan mo siya i-hold. Yung full press naman niya ay strobe. So sa tactical mode, everything is momentary. Turbo and strobe. Kapag nakalock naman siya, when you press it, it will just give you a momentary moonlight. Yan. Kapag nakalock siya, just a momentary moonlight. So very safe. Gustong gusto ko talaga ang Workos TD07. Napakaliit, napakaangas, and especially malakas. And finally, companies like Workos brings this kind of switch to the market. Wala nang complicated double press, triple press. With the help of the rotary switch, napakadaling mag-change ng mode. Wala ka nang maraming tatandaan. So good job sa gumawa ng switch na to. I really love this. And also kudos to the unboxing experience. Kakaiba naman yung kanilang unboxing. With this notice na nasa pinakaunahan, they paid a little bit of an attention sa kanilang unboxing experience. Even at this price point, hindi naman siya ganong mahal, but the way the unit is packed is a pleasant experience. And that is the Workos TD07. Thank you for sticking around and thank you for supporting Mohayag channel. And see you on the next video.